Hi. I'm making cocktail wieners because I didn't get any at Christmas or Thanksgiving, so I've taken matters into my own hands, my own bespectacled hands, because I have to wear my glasses because I'm old and blind. Isn't that right, Sheila?
I don't think so.
I call Susie Sheila. Here we go. This is the first one. We're wrapping up a little Smoky in the dough like this. Like this. Ooh, this one. The dough is really, look at that. There you go. Here's the first one. And then it just continues like that. My aunt would make these for Christmas and other holidays and stuff like that. And since we didn't go up for Christmas, and sometimes my mom would make them. I'm not discrediting my mom, but so I was like, well, I'm gonna make them. How hard could they be? Well, first I thought they could be store-bought, but apparently they're not. You can't store-buy them all ready to go. But I'm just gonna keep rolling these. We'll come back in a second to show you how I cut it. How we cut the dough. We'll get to that part, but and then we'll cook them. All right, so this is the first step. This is the step I should have showed you first. But we have this Pillsbury croissant dough. It comes with 8 croissants in a package, and what you do is you roll them out, and you just take one like this. You put it here. And then I have a little pizza cutter, and you just roll up towards the top. And on the thing I read, they said you could get 4 out of this, but I don't know how you would get 4. That's crazy talk. We're using Hillshire Farms Little Smokies, which was also my stripper name, Little Smoky. I stripped for many years. Now, Sheila, did you want a croissant by yourself?
Sure.
All right, so I guess we're gonna make this one just into a croissant.
If you have enough extra. Just read the ingredients and they're vegan.
These are vegan. There's your little croissant. Isn't that nice?
So cute.
Now let's meet up the rest. All right, so we got a little over 20 of little Smokies all wrapped up in the croissant things, and then one croissant for Pretty Miss Sheila, aka Susie. This is a 375 degree oven. It's been preheated. These go in for 10 to 12 minutes. So put that in there. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. And what's funny is any of you who have an Alexa, your Alexa now set the timer for 10 minutes. We'll see you in 10 minutes. All right, we're about halfway through the cooking, so we're taking a look. Looking good in there. The croissant's popping up. All the cocktail wieners are popping up. See you in about 5 minutes. Hardy, are you over here because you can smell the little Smokies? Is that why you're over here? We can't give you one.
But look at his tail.
We can't give you a little Smoky. But is that why you're over here? Because you can smell little Smokies?
He doesn't usually visit the kitchen.
He does not. This is a very strange occurrence. All right, so it's been about 12 minutes, and the recipe said 10 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna take a look and see. Well, they're very big and puffy. Yeah, those look done. I would say those look done. I mean, I guess you could go a little bit more brown if you wanted to brown them, but those look good to me. So we're gonna let those cool for a second, and then we'll plate them up, and we'll be back for the taste test.
What's for dessert?
Skillet cookie, which we'll make on another show. All right, here we are. We've got it plated. Serving suggestion, the way Auntie Dorothy and Mom would always say, was just a little thing of ketchup right there. And the reason I'm filming this is because I religiously would watch, after I met Steve Hall, or talked to Steve Hall, the puppeteer behind Shotgun Red, I would watch his YouTube cooking show, Cooking with Shotgun Red. And a couple days after Christmas, we lost Steve Hall. He passed away. And so we are filming this as a little tribute into his honor. I'm not near the cook he is, but I'm sure he's somewhere right now making some good stuff. And I will try this one right here. That's it. That's the good stuff. And the good thing is, making these for yourself and having a vegan wife, these are all mine. Are these the best little Smokies wrapped in Pillsbury croissant dough that you've ever had? If they ain't, they ought to be. Bye, Sheila.